Solka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the fourth question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2. This is a harder set of math questions. Number 4 reads, the function g is defined by g of x equals 6x. For what value of x is g of x equal to 54? We're going to first solve this by hand, but stick around for the Desmos solution. It's like legal cheating. You're going to love it. All right. So if g of x equals 6x, in place of g of x, I could put 6x. Now I've got 6x equals 54. Divide both sides by 6. And you've got your answer. X equals 9. That's easy enough. Okay, Desmos solution even easier. Check it out. When you go to Desmos, all you do is you type your g of x equals 6x below g of x equals 54. Now notice you got the red and the blue orb there, but I only see the red line. I don't see the blue line. If that ever happens to you, you got to zoom out. And I'm not a fan of, like, some of you guys are maniacs at this. You'll zoom out to like 10,000 each way in like no time at all. So I like hitting the minus button. Just hit minus, 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 minus. Boom, there it is. And you can see that the intersection point is already highlighted in a gray dot. You've got to remember that in a system of equations, the solution is the intersection point. This question asks for what value of x. You can see just by rolling over it, the value of x is 9. That's your answer. Mark it and move on. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with function questions, just a substitution question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave it down in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, go to playlist. And once you find your test and module number, you'll see that the shorter video is just below these longer videos. And make sure you click subscribe and check out this other substitution function question. Have a great day.